Welcome. Today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Next up, go into Google Assistant option, and in this menu find Hey Google and Voice Match option. And now for activate your Hey Google, need tap here on the switcher, and now need give access to your assistant. Tap Next, and here I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Tap Continue, and not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.